According to reports, the Galaxy's Fold 7's design was almost comparable to the FX, indicating that it has undergone substantial alterations lately. Even thinner, according to new claims, the Z Fold 7 will only be 8.2 millimeters thick when folded, according to Techmaniacs. Approximately 4.7 millimeters thinner than the existing record. This is half the thickness of the Oppo Find N5. Because both sources are reliable and have a stellar reputation for providing early renderings and insider information, there is a discrepancy between what the leak revealed and what Techmaniacs are saying. Samsung may have pulled an audible similar to what occurred with the S25 Edge, which makes sense here. The phone has not yet been put into production. It is currently in pre-production. Although late-stage design overhauls are a possibility, one of them could be incorrect. A 200-megapixel primary camera, a bigger inner and outer screen, and an improved under-display camera for selfies are among the verified changes in addition to the slim body. The S Pen now functions similarly to the Apple Pencil, but its battery life is unchanged. The Z Fold 7 will come pre-installed with Android 16 and One UI 8, and there are yet unidentified new Galaxy AI functions. The Trifold phone, which unfolds into a 10-inch tablet, will be released later this year, Samsung announced on their most recent earnings call. During the July Impact Defend, the phone may be hinted at, but it won't be accessible right away. At the end of the year, a limited rollout is scheduled. As part of its return with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Samsung has also stated that a new Galaxy Watch will be available in July. Finally, it has been said that the Galaxy's Fold 7 is a major technical advance, with a revamped Galaxy Watch, a thinner body, and better screens. Even though it may not be ready right away, the phone is anticipated to be a major improvement over the previous generations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.